Coconut oil has surged in popularity in both kitchens and beauty routines, yet its effects on heart health remain debated. This video delves into whether coconut oil is a heart-healthy option or just well-marketed. Coconut oil is sourced from mature coconut meat and is notable for its high saturated fat content, comprising about 90% of its total fat. This unique aspect has sparked widespread discussion about its health implications. Historically, saturated fats were tagged as major contributors to heart disease due to their role in elevating harmful LDL cholesterol levels, leading experts to recommend limiting their intake. However, recent studies suggest that not all saturated fats are alike, with some research indicating that the fats in coconut oil may not impact cholesterol levels as negatively as those from animal sources. While some research points to coconut oil raising LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, it's also credited with boosting HDL or good cholesterol, thus presenting a complex picture of its effects on heart health. The American Heart Association advises against coconut oil due to its potential to increase LDL cholesterol, though not all experts concur, suggesting moderation and a balanced diet can incorporate coconut oil healthily. To include coconut oil in a heart-conscious diet, use it sparingly and balance your intake with other recognized healthy fats like olive oil and avocados, keeping overall fat consumption within recommended limits. In conclusion, while coconut oil offers a taste of the tropics, its health impacts, particularly concerning the heart, necessitate a cautious approach. Moderation and dietary balance are key, and consultation with healthcare providers is recommended for personalized advice.